Heat and Fit Dentures. So these things, I suppose. Now, this product can only be legit as a real DIY denture product. So they are not the same as custom dentures made by a dentist, and they use a boil and bite style fitting process where you heat the denture, soften the fitting material, and then mold it into your mouth at home. So listings for products like this is quick fitting, no impressions, and the ability to refit multiple times, which can be helpful for a temporary cosmetic or emergency solution. Now, these may work if you need a quick or a cheaper temporary denture, but in this case, it doesn't really look that cheap as well, but it's cheaper, it's just not cheap. So the biggest issue here is the fit and safety. DIY dentures can rub the gums and feel bulky, affect speech and eating, or cause irritation if they do not sit correctly. And dental guidance warns that poorly fitting boil and bite dentures can lead to gum soreness, trapped bacteria, yucky, and oral health problems if worn too long or not cleaned properly. So we do have a few pros for this. It's cheaper than custom dentures, quick at home fitting technically, and there's no dental impressions needed. So it can be refitted useful as a temporary cosmetic options. But for the cons, it's not dentist made, so it may not fit correctly onto your teeth or gums. It may fit badly and can irritate those gums and may not be comfortable for eating, and it's most likely not ideal for long-term daily use. So results depend heavily on your mouth shape and fitting skill. So as a final verdict, Heat and Fit dentures are not a straight scam, but they are best seen as a temporary DIY option, not a permanent replacement for professional dentures, and they may be worth it if you are trying an affordable short-term smile fix, but do not expect dentist level comfort, bite alignment, or durability. So you can take a look at the product yourself, and there's this over here, I suppose. Well, hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.